Hello everybody. Malamig kasi ngayon. Mas pinipili ko na mag-vegetable lang ako. Vegetable soup, a combination of cabbage, carrots, sweet potato, onion, garlic, celery. And anyway, before I show it to you, please click like subscribe and click the notification bell so you will continue watching our live here in Israel. Shout out to Miss Justin Tenorio and to all hotel workers and caregivers here in Israel. At sa lahat ng mga Pilipino tumatangkilik ng vlog ko, mabuhay po tayong mga Pilipino. Ngayon po ulit ako nagsisimulang mag-vlog. Please watch this. This winter time, madalas po tayong kabagin. So, ang ginawa ko, naglagay ako ng kamote, cabbage, tsaka celery. Ayoko munang kumakain ako ng karne, pero hindi ganun kadami. Sa vegetable lang ako, hindi ako magra-rice. Kasi may kamote na ito, ganun ang gagawin ko. Masarap po siya. Nilagyan ko lang siya ng asin, wala nang ibang seasoning. Ganun lang. Ang mag-a-add na ng sweet ng soup is the carrots, sweet potato, and then cabbage. Meron silang sugar content. Pag titikman mo siya, lasa siyang matamis. And then, konting alat lang ng asin. Medyo mapait kasi naparami yung celery ko at saka hindi ko tinanggal yung balat ng kamote. Ganun lang. In-scrape ko lang yung balat. Lalagyan ko lang ng konting asin and then, okay na po yan. Ganyan lang gagawin ko. Ayan. Napakahalaga po kasi na kumakain tayo ng mga sabaw na mainit. Sabaw na mainit. Any kind of soup you like. Every winter time. Hindi palaging malamig. Pagising ko sa umaga, nahirapan akong dumi or umano man kasi kabag. Yun. Kailangan natin na syempre na-comfort yung sarili natin, especially winter time, nakakatamad bumangon. So, para naman tayo sumigla-sigla, humigop tayo ng mainit na sabaw. Kahit hindi ganun kasarapan, basta may sabaw. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Thank you pala sa mga bumati sa aking kaarawan. Bye-bye. Ayan, umuusok-usok ang aking favorite na food. Sweet potato. I'm sorry. Natighay na ako. Busog na ako. Nagsisimula pa. Sweet potato. Onion. I did quarter the onion. And then next time, if I have time, I will do a vlog of cooking. And then, this is the cabbage. I like. So, I make deep fry the pork, not together in the soup. It's separated, like samgyeopsal style. I put fresh garlic. I eat together the fresh garlic and the pork. Very delicious. I want to buy again the pork in the Russian. It's very expensive. It's 1 kilo is 70 shekel. So, but the taste is very, very, very delicious. This is pork ribs, but not a lot of ribs. with also the fat and meat. I eat this like this, or I need to get more garlic. It's very delicious to me to eat fresh garlic together with the fried pork. Yeah, I like together like this and eat. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Ayan. Basta, ang sarap-sarap ng feelings ko na kumakain ako nito pag malamig. Ngayon ko lang na kasi na-miss ko rin siguro yung Korean food, samgyeopsal food. So, no need to sit like the samgyeopsal table design. Fry the pork and combine you can buy a lettuce if you want, but I did not buy lettuce, only pork with the garlic. Masarap yung garlic. Lumalaban siya dun sa baboy. Diba? Kaya kailangan may panglaban kayo sa baboy. Masarap. Delicious. Kain po tayo. Kainin ko na rin tong onion. Pero yung katas ito, sumama na sa sabaw, pero kinakain ko pa rin. Pero yung iba, nilalagay ito sa, what do you call that, is bouquet garni. Bouquet garni is when you put in the cloth, put inside or the, like onion, garlic, after boiling, they will throw it. But I eat. I remember the word bouquet garni. This is a French word in culinary. I forgot. You know, when you study culinary and you will not use that, you will forget. But if you are there, you will remember. Bouquet garni, you can put also anchovies. It means anchovies is yung maliliit na dilis. Maliliit na fish nilalagay sa bouquet garni cloth. Then put the onion, carrots, na kung ano yung pampalasa. Nagbibigay ng aroma at pampalasa sa pagkain. Which is always include there's the carrots, onion, and celery. Just depend to you what kind of seafoods you want to put there. But mostly, anchovies they put. Very delicious. Naubos na yung bawang ko. Nanggigigil ako pag may bawang. Yan. Really. I ate the bone. I remove. And then, sweet potato is good for the stomach. Antioxidant. Diba? Sabi ng kapatid ko, magkamote ka. Naalala ko nga pala, may kamote akong tanim. Kinakabag ako, di ko alam gagawin ko. Natalo ng katamaran, hindi bumabangon. Ngayon, nung pumunta ako sa market, doon ko naalala, may mga kamoting tinda dito sa Israel. Kulay dilaw ang kala mo kalabasa. Kamote po ito. Hindi ko na tinanggal yung balat. Ginawa ko, in-scrape ko lang para matanggal yung manipis na balat sa outer skin na madumi. Then wash. Ganun po ang ginagawa namin nila Chef Fulonan sa culinary. Yung carrots, hindi niyan tinatalupan kasi the vitamins of the protein there is yung vitamins ng carrots nandun sa balat. Kaya yun, kung binabalatan, hindi yun tinatapon. Ginagamit pa rin yun sa bouquet garni kasi malasa pa yun. Diba? Kaya nga, if you want to become a chef, you know how to save the food. Not to throw the food. Here in Israel, maraming tinatapong pagkain. Kasi they want to maintain the temperature of the food, but it's wasting food. Many people hungry in this world. Yummy. I like. Bye-bye. Kain po tayo. Huli na ako ng alok.